All right, so it is cooler right now. Temperatures are so much nicer than yesterday at this time, and it's still 88. This is what a July cold front looks like, but it is a cold front. I mean, it was a cold front that came through here, and we're looking at temperatures that are 12 degrees cooler. I happen to like this right now. I'll take high 80s. I lived in Springfield, Missouri for 3 or 4 years, and I started to learn to love the 90s. And now, the older I get, minus 40 just doesn't hit the same. So 86 right now in Brainerd. Even to the north, we're fairly warm. Now, when it's warmer to the west, like Ortonville, it's 90. That's going to push in. It's going to get hotter tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow's another hot, mainly dry day. Again, overnight tonight, high 60s, right around 70 here in the Twin Cities. It's a warm one, but not as bad as it was a couple days ago. So let's get to Wednesday first. It's a hot day. Again, morning plans are better than the afternoon. It'll start to creep up to maybe 98, 99 for the heat index. The rain is going to help us here if we can get any of that Thursday night and Friday to cool us down. I can't rule out a couple of what I would call rogue, not even isolated, thunderstorms. If you get this thunderstorm, it's a miracle. Cross Lake Brainerd, you see there's one just off to the north and east of Cross Lake, and Staples. These are so hit or miss that you're probably going to see the cumulus clouds, but it's probably not going to rain. Same down here towards Marshall, south of Redwood Falls. Most of this will stay away from the metro. I don't see any cumulus clouds, just blue skies. So here's the next low pressure center. In July, it's rare to actually get low pressure centers passing by. That's going to be Thursday night into Friday, and that is really the only chance for rain. It needs to happen. Now, severe threats will be low, mainly because it's going to be so cloudy Friday morning. We shouldn't warm up. But Thursday night, western Minnesota, marginal threat. Marginal in July for severe weather doesn't mean anything. It means it might thunderstorm, because every storm in July can be severe. But Friday, I'm not calling for a lot of thunderstorms in the metro, just rain. So let's look at this Thursday. Increasing clouds in the afternoon. There are the storms trying to come in late afternoon. If you have plans in the Twin Cities Thursday, keep them. It's fine. You see the activity really get going here during the late evening, mainly west, and then this low starts to swirl, and Friday morning, there's that heavy rain. Emphasizing southern Minnesota, less in northern Minnesota, and I would keep my plans here Friday afternoon. But this is the European model, and from yesterday to today, it trended higher, and it's going a lot of rain. The red indicates over 2 inches in southern Minnesota. Twin Cities, St. Cloud, this is going around 1 inch, and then less than 1 inch up towards Brainerd. Okay, we're in a drought, so what am I going to do? I'm going to cut it in half. Let's just cut the numbers in half. That's my forecast. That's still 3/4 of an inch to 1 inch for the metro area, and Brainerd maybe 1/4 of an inch to 3/4 of an inch. That's still a decent chunk of rain. That's why we have that impact alert Friday morning for that low pressure center as it passes by. That'll cool us down. But besides that chance of rain, it looks like Saturday and Sunday are fantastic.